Wow, this is going to change everything. What's good, y'all, man? It is your boy Sniper Kicks, and man, this is crazy right here. But before, guys, if you haven't watched my first tax video talking about how the threshold is down to 600 bucks, the American Rescue Act starting 2022 January 1st, the threshold from $20,000 being reported for a 1099K is now down to 600, so it's going to change a lot of things. But in today's video, man, the government, the IRS, is going at the apps of Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, all those payments that resellers love to take. Guess what? The IRS is going to take a close look at all those transactions, and you might still have to pay taxes if you just accept Cash App, Zelle. Because trust me, I know, I have a lot of resellers that say, hey, I'm just going to take Cash App, Zelle, I'm good, no taxes, keep all the money in my pocket. But it's over. I am going to, read an article by ABC News, and the title of this article is called "New IRS Rule for Cash App Transactions Set to Go Effect Next Year, 2022." And it says, changes are coming for those who use the apps like Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal for business transactions. A new rule from the IRS will take effect on January 1st, allowing them to take a closer look at Cash App business transactions of more than 600 bucks. For those who use Cash Apps for personal use won't be impacted, but where the line gets blurry is when self-employed workers use the same Cash App account for both personal and business accounts. And going down the article, it also states about the 1099, I'm looking for it right here, who fall into the 600 bucks or more in income in Cash Apps will receive a 1099K form. So you can read the article, you can look it up online, there's a lot of articles talking about it, but you see they're starting to crack down on these apps. The IRS wants its bread, man. The IRS wants its bread, and it's going after the gig economy. It's going after people that are just taking really payments from this phone right here. It's easy to bypass paying taxes when you're getting Zelle, Cash App. I know tons of resellers, like I said earlier, that will say, hey, just Cash App me, I'm good. The IRS, the tax people won't know. But now they're taking a closer look. But here's one thing. So of course they cannot tax things for personal use, because a lot of people use these apps for meal reimbursement, for giving their mom a gift and doing a different thing. So it's going to be hard for them to do. But what I believe they're going to do is they're going to see like trends on your statements with these apps. Like for instance, if you're receiving 500 bucks every week or every month for certain things, they're going to take a closer look. Of course, you could be like, man, this is personal use. But hey, if they go report it to IRS, now you have to prove that. So it's going to be interesting, and I feel the IRS is going to take more aggressive route. So if they see their 600 bucks from income, they'll probably report it. And this is where it goes to shoes, man. Goes to shoes. Reselling is going to be a lot harder. I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna be a lot harder because most people are lazy. If you watch my last video, I talked about how a lot of resellers likes to be convenient. They don't like to do all the taxes, especially if they have a job, a corporate job, and they're reselling. They have to tie them together into their taxes and do the 1099 forms and do all these things. So a lot of people will be very careful, what they're doing reselling. And as well, I see a lot of people starting to use cash now. And you'll see, one of my subscribers said this in my last video, that you're going to see a lot of people are going to start buying safes because they want to keep that money away from the IRS. They want to keep that money away from the IRS. So expect 2022, people are going to get safes where they'll start putting cash. Hey, I believe it's going to happen because of the IRS really wanting to get their piece of the pie of people that are making money. There's people that are making a lot of money out here and they're not paying taxes. And of course, people need to pay their taxes. And like I said, I'm going to specifically make a write-off video for all you guys. I know you guys. I have a lot of people that watch my channel that resell that for fun, or resell part-time, resell full-time. And I'm going to teach you guys what write-offs or what certain write-offs you need to be tracking so you can lower that amount of income that the IRS takes from your pocket. But they are serious, man. They are serious about this stuff. And I was shocked that they were actually taking a deeper look into Cash App, Zelle, all those transactions, because a lot of people take those transactions when they're doing sneaker meetups or doing certain sneaker events, or just, you know, hey bro, I'm buying on IG, send me through Zelle. Now that stuff is going to get taxed. And I see them, Cash App, Zelle, and all those people being pretty aggressive. They see a lot of money coming into your account, they're automatically going to, you know, send that info to the IRS, and you're going to receive a 1099-K. You are going to receive a 1099-K. So they are not playing. I just made this video to make you guys alert of what's happening 2022. StockX, Go, any place that you're selling your sneakers is not safe of not paying taxes. Just because you made, you know, you're doing it a little bit part-time, you make $600, you have to pay your taxes. And man, this is just surprising to me, because I was like, man, you can maybe loophole it with the Cash App or Zelle, but it's not going down. A lot more cash transactions I see happening. A lot more safes being, you know, being sold and bought, because people want to keep more money in their pocket. So appreciate you guys, man. The write-off video is coming soon. I have so much more fire content. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to keep you up to date of what's going on in the sneaker community, what's going on with the reselling community, what's going on. I'm going to give you guys some good information. I really appreciate you guys. Tax write-off video is coming soon. Let's get it. Snipers out. Peace.